Found one culprit. Smashed wires. Not good. Ohming everything out. Found a second break in the wire. I'm going to solder in some new wires and get this handlebar control switch for the air ride going again. New extended wires. Cut out the short. Just ran it externally the way it was. Definitely looked better when they're ran internally for sure, but just installing it the way they had it before. So got everything soldered together. Back to the old connectors or the old harness. And a multi-lock connector, 3-pin that I put in place. So we should be good to go now. Yep, there we go. Sweet. Finished up Justin's road glide. Back. This front. Looking good. That is XM satellite stereo hooked up also. Be ready for the jams down the road. Fix that rear air ride. Those two shorts on that power wire got smashed underneath the gas tank. The plastic wire loom.